Hello traders, in this video we're exploring the follow trend indicator for MT4 and MT5. We'll cover how its dynamic trend line appears on the charts, what its color and slope imply about directional bias, and how it aims to keep traders aligned with the prevailing move. At this point I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, as you can see, the follow trend indicator plots a continuous line directly on the main price chart that moves with price and changes slope as trend conditions evolve. In many implementations, the line changes color depending on whether the trend is bullish or bearish, making it easy to see at a glance which direction the indicator currently favors. When the line slopes upwards and price is trading above it, it visually implies an uptrend, with the line acting as a dynamic support reference. When the line slopes downwards and price is trading below it, it implies a downtrend, with the line acting as a dynamic resistance reference. Because the line is built on regression or average based logic, it smooths out noise whilst you staying close enough to price to reflect meaningful changes in trend structure. As for the settings, let's see what we have. Alright, so we basically have the trend period, which controls how many bars are used to calculate the trend following line, affecting how smooth it appears and how quickly it reacts to new market moves. Smoothing parameters are also additional options that reduce short-term noise and help the line reflect the broader trend rather than every minor fluctuation. So the color and style, they let you define how bullish and bearish phases are displayed. For example, different colors or line styles, so the trend direction is clearly visible. Timeframe flexibility is also another perk. The follow trend logic works across multiple timeframes of both MT4 and MT5, allowing you to apply the same visual approach from intraday charts up to higher timeframe analysis. So who's it for? The follow trend indicator is suited to traders who want a straightforward line-based tool to confirm whether the market is trending up, trending down, or moving sideways. It can be useful for both trend following traders who build strategies around staying on the right side of the move, and for traders who use the line as a filter before considering reversals. The indicator is an analytical aid only and does not place or manage trades on MT4 or MT5. As with other trend following lines, it is based on historical data and can lag in fast reversals, and using very short or very long periods can make the line either too noisy or too slow, so it should be tuned carefully and combined with other analysis and risk management. The download links for the follow trend indicator for MT4 and MT5 are in the description below. You can read more about its construction and see example charts on the Forex Geek website. If you'd like more videos on trend following line indicators, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.